Hello, my dear students of secondary one. This is Mrs. Samah Hussein from حدائق المعادي القومية Language School. Today we are having Unit 4, as you see. It is making new friends. In this unit, we are talking about how we can make new friends if we change school or move to another town or place. And in order to make new friends, one should act in a way that makes the people like him or like her. We all should agree that friends are important for everyone. And when I say friends, I mean true friends, honest friends. The true friends and honest friends are important for us because they support us, they encourage us, they help us. So, friends are important to each other, and everyone needs and should have a friend. And if you move from a school to another, or from a town to another, you should make new friends in your new school or new town in order not to be isolated, in order not to feel lonely. Let's go to the first lesson and discuss the first questions. Here we have some photographs of some girls and boys, and we call these boys or these girls in this age teenagers. As you see, they are still youth, they are still between 12 or 11 years old and 19 years old. So we are discussing how these boys and girls in this age can make new friends in new towns and in new schools. Let's see the questions and discuss them. Teenagers can follow certain steps. Steps means certain ways to make new friends in a new town. For example, number one, try to be good and polite with others. So, if you are a good person and if you are a polite person, okay, talks to others in a polite way, okay, this can make others like you, and maybe they can become friends with you. Number two, you have to be friendly, okay? You have to act in a friendly way, in a kind way, in a cool way, okay? Not to be cruel to others, for example, not to be unkind. Number three, help others if needed. Of course, if you can help the people around you, if you can give them support, you can gain their trust and they can be friends with you. Sharing sports activities and the social ones. When you move to a new school or a new town, and you have, for example, a favorite sport or a sport you like, for example, you like football, tennis, volleyball, and in this school, in this new school, you can find a team for the sport you like. If you want to make new friends, this is a way to make new friends. You can join the team for your favorite sport. And be friends with the teammates, with your teammates, with the boys and girls who are in the same team. And also you can share share them with their social activities. Social activities means if they have a kind of celebration, okay, an occasion happens in your school, celebrating something, for example, anything, celebrating anything, and this is a social occasion or social celebration, you can share your friends this occasion, and through this you can make new friends. We have here the vocabulary, the most important ones in the unit. We have the word advice, and it means an opinion someone gives to help you. Okay, if I am in a difficulty or I am facing a problem and I ask you to give me your opinion, or in other words your advice, okay, to help me. Okay, take something for granted. What does it mean? When I say that I take something for granted, it means to think something is true or will stay the same. Okay? Take something for granted. It means that I think that this thing is true and will never change, will stay the same. Notice board. Notice board is a thing on a wall that people put information on. So if you wanted to make a piece of information public or be seen by everyone, you can put this kind of information, this piece of information, on a notice board in order to be seen by everyone. Connection. Connection means things that bring people together. Okay? Connection, things that bring people together. This is connection. Okay? We have, for example, connection in the social media. Okay? Connection in the social media means that something bring people together in the social media. Okay? We have a text about new in town. Here we have the text. Let's read it together. It's day 1 at a new school in a new town. You have got all the paper and pens you need. You are wearing cool new clothes, but you don't know anyone and you are not sure where to go. Starting at a new school feels so hard because you don't have any friends there to help you. It's very easy to feel stressed, but life will get easier. Here's some advice to help you. Don't take it for granted that other students will start a conversation. Ask other people questions about themselves. Everyone likes talking about themselves. Try asking them about their favorite subjects or which sports they like, and don't ask too many personal questions. You can only make friends if you spend the time with them. The best way to do this is to join clubs or do team sports you like. Go online or look at the notice board at your school and find out what's happening. If you are part of a team, your teammates will feel connected to you, and that connection could become a friendship. While you are busy talking to other students, don't forget to study. Remember to do your homework so you don't have any problems with your teachers. Those teachers can also give you some advice on how to make friends and enjoy life in your new town. Talk to them too. So in a new school, you can make new friends with the other students, and also you can make friendship with your teachers by following the rules and behaving in a polite way, doing your homework. You will be a clever student. Thus, your teachers will also like you and can give you some advice concerning how to make new friends, and they also can become your friend. Here we have some questions based on the text. What does the writer think is the most difficult thing about moving to a new town? According to the writer, as you see in the text, the writer thinks that having no friends to help you is the most difficult thing about moving to a new town. What three things does the writer say you should do to make friends and feel happy at a new school? To start a conversation with others, talking about their favorite subjects and sports. This is a piece of advice. Another one is to join clubs and do team sports. Another thing is to do one's homework and be good to the teachers and talk to them. Okay? Read the article again and answer the questions. What is the main idea of the text? The main idea of the text which we have just read is new students should try to get to know people. This is the main idea. Number two, why is it a good idea to ask other students questions about themselves? Why? Why is it a good idea? Because everyone likes to talk about themselves. 3. What shouldn't you ask other students? Too many personal questions. Of course, if you want to be loved and liked from the people around you, you shouldn't ask them too many personal questions. Okay? Many people don't like this way, don't like being asked about their personal life. So you should stop doing this if you want to make new friends with them. How can you find out about clubs and sports? According to the passage, you can go online or look at the notice board. Why do team sports make it easier for you to make friends? If you are part of a team, your teammates means the boys and the girls who are with you in the same team. Your teammates will feel connected to you, and that connection could be a friendship. How can you avoid problems with your teachers at your new school? By studying and doing one's homework. By doing this, you will be a clever student and your teachers will like you. How can your teachers help you? If they like you, if you are a clever student, they can help you by giving what? By giving you advice. They can give me advice on how to make friends and enjoy life in your new town. Which way would you prefer to follow if you went to a new school? Okay, this question, in this question, you should give your own answer because it depends. Okay, it differs from a person to another. Which way you prefer? If you would prefer to join a team sport or to make conversations with others or to be polite with people or to help them, you can choose your own way, and this is according to your own personality. Starting a new school might be hard, but it can help too. A. Find ways to connect with other people. B. Focus on teachers' notes to get high grades. Or C. Play in a team sport. Or D. Both A and B. Of course, starting a new school might be hard, but it can help too. Of course, A. Find ways to connect with other people. We have here the discuss. There is a new student in your class called Ahmed. He tells you that he likes playing football. You like playing football too. What can you do to help Ahmed feel happy at his new school? Okay, so you both like football and Ahmed is a new student in your class. How can you help him? Okay, this is my own answer. Okay, and if you have any other opinion, you can mention it, you can say it. One, make him join the football team at school. Two, introduce him to the football coach and the football team players. Okay? Number two, there is a new student in your class called Sarah. She tells you that she doesn't know how to get to the school library. You know where it is. What can you do to help Sarah feel happy at her new school? Number one, you can give her directions of how to go to the school library. This is a way. Another way is you can also take her to the school library yourself and introduce her to the librarian. So these are two ways, and this is according to my opinion. This is my own point of view. If you have any other opinions or answers, you can mention it. You can follow it. Okay?